Have you ever been scared by a ghost? Did you ever watch ghost stories when you were younger? Ghosts is a controversial topic because people claim they have seen, felt, or heard ghosts, but there's no scientific evidence supporting it. There's not much proof of ghosts because we do not have the technology or the knowledge to find them. To be considered a science, ghosts have to go through the scientific method. This means that they have to have a hypothesis, go through experiments, and find the results. There needs to be solid evidence backing this up. To be considered a science, it needs to be taken through multiple tests and have conclusive evidence. One reason why people believe in ghosts is that because the popularity of the TV shows on TV. There's one very popular TV show now today. It's called Ghost Hunters. The people in these shows try and find evidence of ghosts. They do this by going to haunted places around the country and calling out for the ghosts. In these episodes, they use technology like night vision cameras, voice recorders, EMF meters, and various other sources of technology. These ghost hunters think that ghosts have an electronic magnetic field. When they use the EMF meter, they look for spikes and claim that these are the occurrences of ghosts. If ghosts were to be proven, they would have to be proven by a scientist in a controlled experiment. There's no evidence that has been proved that over the past century, decade, or year. These findings have proven that ghosts are not real. According to my criteria, it does not pass, and because there's no evidence backing it up. Another reason why ghosts are not real is that people often go through a period of in-between stage between sleep and being awake. While in this stage, they sometimes go through a hypnagogic hallucinations. These are different than dreams because they seem real to the individual. An example is when you're falling asleep and you think that your name is being called, but in reality, your name was not being called. There are two types of other hallucinations, noise and voice. Although noise is the most common one, voice hallucinations still happen. Many experience one or the other when just going to sleep or just waking up. An explanation for why people believe in ghosts is the simple nature of the human brain and human body. Humans have always tried to make out something when there's obviously nothing there. An example would be watching clouds. When you look at a cloud, you may think that a cloud looks like a dog, but in reality, the cloud is not shaped like a dog. Although the topic is very popular, ghosts do not fit the criteria of being considered a ghost, being considered a science. To become a science, scientists would have to do the experiments and would have to do experiments to find them or on them. Ghost hunters claim that they have proven this to be real, but we cannot be certain until scientists prove this in a controlled experiment. Overall, many people do not believe in ghosts, or many people believe in ghosts, but ghosts are not real and do not fit the criteria of becoming a science.
All right. Questions for Colby?
Can I just go first? Do you believe in ghosts?
No. I mean, I believe that there could be ghosts. Like, I know one of my friends, he went to the abandoned school that was over there, and he took pictures, and there was like, the camera would be getting blurry when he'd get to like a certain point. So like, I'm not saying that there couldn't be something there, but like, I do not like believe in them as of now.
So if you were, let's just say you were trying to prove, that a haunted location was haunted and that, or test to see whether a ghost was actually there. Just speculate, what are some variables that you would have to make sure to account for in your testing?
So like with the electromagnetic field, that make sure like all the electricity would be turned off, because I mean, if there's like a projector that would be running in that place, then that could also affect how like the spikes in the EMF meter. So make sure that all the electricity is turned off, and that'll just be one of the areas that you have to take account for.
Any other questions? Ghost questions?
Have you had anything happen to you?
No, I haven't.
Do you want something to happen?
Not particularly.
All right. Thank you very much, Colby.